Let's look at another way you can spy on power sellers. You can click on their See Other Items, which is typically in the upper right-hand corner, and then you can type their user ID into GoofBid's Seller History tool. So in this case, what I would do is basically copy their user ID. This one happens to have an exclamation point at the end. Go over to GoofBid, their eBay tools, and then click on eBay Seller History tool. Put in their user ID right there, and it'll start to show their seller history. You'll be able to find items that the seller is selling a lot of by just putting that username into the seller history tool. Now, we're also going to use that info when we get into creative product sourcing. So right now we're doing the groundwork for the creative product sourcing. Right now I'm showing you multiple ways to find hot products, research hot products, spy on power sellers and find their hot products, and then I'm going to show you some creative ways to source those products. Now let's talk about reverse engineering successful listings, because when you find these top sellers and you find out that they're selling a lot of a particular item, now you can start to reverse engineer their listing process. When you reverse engineer a top seller's listings, you can easily find out their best keywords that they've used, their winning titles, their descriptions, the types of images they've used, and the listing formats, like whether they were listing an auction or best offer or buy it now, as well as any additional bonuses or value adds that they added to their item. So it's really a great way to learn how successful sellers are doing things, because oftentimes a successful seller, like I know myself, I will often test and try a variety of different formats, a variety of different descriptions and titles to find the ones that do the best. So if you land on a successful seller's listing and you see that they're doing a lot of business, chances are good that that title has been tested like crazy, and those descriptions and those images have been used often, and you're kind of arriving at the best of everything that they've done. So it's a very good way to not only find some amazing deals, but also reverse engineer and learn some of the best techniques as well.